Hello, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today is my first live stream, and today we are going to build CalAI. So if you guys don't know, CalAI is an app which we can download today. It's in the App Store as well as Google Play. So what it does is we can take a photo of our meal, and it's going to count all our calories, carbs, proteins, fats, and also give us a health score. So we are going to try to make that. So we will be doing byte coding as well as coding. We'll do it like 50-50. And then after that, we are going to actually deploy it. Until then, I got this whole document from ChatGPT. So we are going to do step by step all these integration. And today we are going to go through the macronutrients part for today. So this will be a short live session, and today we are just going to do this part. And for the ID, I'll be using LangChain. Sorry, I'll be using Cursor. So, for the one requirement for this is you might want the OpenAI API key, and this is also this is important. And if you don't have it, you might not be able to work with this project. So for this whole project, we are going to be using OpenAI library. So we're using OpenAI, not Agent SDK, the pure OpenAI library. So in other ways, we are using pure Python to create an agent which is going to track our calories. So this whole project is based on a agentic system, and we are going to create it in such a way that you will learn how to create agents using the OpenAI library. So if you have got the OpenAI API key, so let's get to the project. Okay, okay. So firstly, what I thought of doing is um, to do the macronutrients thing, we first have to analyze the picture, which is going to be done with the OpenAI vision library, vision feature. And based on that, it's going to count the calories, protein, carbohydrate, and fats based on the amount it thinks it has, the amount of quantity it has. So based on that, it's going to count all these calories. And in our next live stream, we are also doing the micronutrients part. So to get this, we'll be using the structure output method. And if you want to learn all this in great detail, you can go to a video which I'll give a link in the description. You can go there and you can learn what is how to create agents using pure Python. Okay, so let's go to our IDE. So firstly, we'll create a folder for agents, and then here for now let's create it like macronutrients agent. So to firstly we have to import all the libraries. So from OpenAI import OpenAI Like, you know what? Let's use root code. So for this view, I'll be using root code. I cannot use this. I think I have ended my free trial. Oh, it's still working. But still, I'll be using root code for this whole project. So now, what we'll do is we are going to the prompt section and we are going to import. Uh, we are just going to tell it to create an OpenAI. We will tell it to create a sample program to create a thing like CalAI. Uh, and for this MCP, for this row code, I also added the it's not there. Oh, so I had added the context level MCP with SSE. Um, yeah, so I was also using Klein, but in Klein it was not accessing the context level for some reason. So in row code it was accessing. I don't know how it's happening. Okay, now it's working. Yes. Yeah, so context 7 it's an MCP server which will help your AI agents or your AI assistant to search the real-time documentation. So if you search context7.com, you have a number of libraries that you can check on. So if I say, let's say OpenAI, so there is a lot. Let's put OpenAI Python. So we can ask anything we want, like what is the how to create an agent, and then if we click on show results, it's going to give us this whole para, the whole data. It's basically a RAG, but for getting information about the libraries. Suppose, okay. Oh, hi Zafar. I think it has created it. Let's see. Return. Oh, this is not good. Like it's not even using the OpenAI API. Oh, Yeah, so here it's using the context and MCP, so it's going to get all the data and then now it's going to use the result. Okay, okay, so what it's doing is it's creating the agents using a SDK. But let's try this. So firstly, I think we'll set up our UV initializer. Oh, I don't want this. Yeah, Zafar has told that Coursera is giving 1 year free subscription for students. Let's check on that. I don't see it here. Where is it? Uh, it has been somewhere around here. I think it's not there. That's okay. So yeah, we'll try this out once. So we'll do the agents, then we run macro things, event. Oh, it's macro UTM. Oh, so I got the course for students. I was searching for the tool for the next. Let's try this. Let's verify. It's asking for email. Okay, so I'll just add this in the description. Then I think I'll do it after this thing is over. Okay, so the API client must be. Let's import dot load email. Here we'll do load dot email. Okay, so it's a 350 calories. Yeah. So here what it's doing is, so let me get this straight. Here what it's doing is, it's creating an agent using the agent SDK. My plan was not this actually. So my plan was completely different. And this is not what I wanted. So If you don't know, you can go to the this core concept section and you can come here and check these out. Wait, first see what we'll do is we'll give it the we'll create this, we'll copy this out, and after we get the response, no, here in the system prompt we'll write that you are a CalAI agent, and then based on that it's going to give the answer. Okay, so let's say let's go to root code and let's give it this URL. Structure output. Or else what we'll do is we'll code it out ourselves. So this is okay, like we're getting the calories sorted. So if you don't know, Pydantic is a module in Python to get structured outputs. And uh, if wait, so we create a class and then we say what it is. It's a field. So we'll delete all this. Delete all this stuff. And here we don't even need this. We want right, we create a client saying OpenAI, and if you have this load.yaml, then you don't want to like pass the API key here. Next thing is you have to add um, the base model is done. Next thing is that you have to add the create a function saying get the calories of it. So we'll say macronutrient agent, and then we'll pass the image for URL, right? And here, so we'll use logger to get all these the information about the timing and stuff. We'll import logging. So if you don't know what logging is, it's just like tracking everything what's happening. So you don't need to like add print statements all over your code. So we'll say logging dot basic config. Sorry, config. And here we'll write level. So just to not waste time, I'm just going to copy this. Okay. So you can get this everywhere. Like people are using this in all of their projects. And then after we create this, wait, let's just put this down here. Right, next. So firstly we'll do like logger.info and we'll say processing the event. So wait, let me show you what's going to happen. If I do wait, let's do publish here. Then here we are not using it, so that's okay. So we are getting this, like we are getting the time. So when it's happening, I'm currently in India, so it's giving me like 7:58 p.m. So this is how we can get like what is actually happening. Okay, delete this, right? And next we'll write some statements. And this, right? I got it from their. Um, I got this from a documentation, so you can just use this code in all of your projects. If you're dealing with OpenAI Vision and we want to import path from Pathlet. road path, right? It also means base 64. Okay, yeah. So next thing is this is done. Import it. So here what we are doing is, if there is no image path URL, then we are just going to say there is no image path URL. And if we have to check if it starts from HTTP. If it is so, then we are going to set the image data to image path URL. If it is HTTP, then we don't need to convert it to base64. Here is just asking if the image path URL exists, like if it is a directory like images slash image.png, then it's going to check if it is there, and if it is there, then it's going to like check the valid extension and then give the unsupported if it's not a supported one. After that, it's going to encode it to base64 and then put it as image data. OpenAI wants our images to be in base64 or HTTP. Okay, so next, what we'll do is let's go back to our code. So this is done, right? Now next we'll add a completion. Completion. So here we are writing client dot data dot set completion. So why I'm using this beta and parse, because we want to get the structured output like this. So for that we are going to use this kind of. Otherwise we are using client dot chat dot completion dot something else. Right? We'll create a brackets here. So for models we'll be using GPT-4o, and the messages are like first we'll give a system message. Okay? And then here we'll do sorry, right? And here we want the role. We are giving it the role is the system prompt, and then here we are saying content, like the content of the system prompt. We are adding an f string here. I think we don't need f string here, sorry. Yes. So to create this, we want a good prompt, right? So for the prompt, I'm not going to waste time writing a good prompt. And what I'll do is I'll create a. I have a prompt that I've been working on since some days, not some days, but I did it before 2 to 3 days. Right? And yeah. So what it is like, you're a nutrition expert, analyze and get the carbohydrate, protein, calories, and those things. It's just what our project wants for now. And then we are adding the role of user, and then we are giving the content, right? Let's come here, create this, set content, and then here we'll. So we have two types here. First we are doing is we are giving it the image URL, and then yeah, I think that's the only thing. We are only giving the image URL. So let's write type is image URL, it's input, not input value, it's image URL. So guys, I'm not really focusing on vibe coding because I've not got the answer in the first place. So I'm like, if we do it step by step, I think it's going to be useful because I think the 50% is enough here. The it has done the base model. I think that's enough, right? So next thing is we want the prompt and then image data. We have the image URL as a dictionary as the URL, and you can find all this in the documentation. If you don't want to get all this, the image data, and then so we got some error here. Let's see. Hmm, what is this error? Uh, this is yeah. So our completion is done now. We do want our uh, open. Wait, let's just. So we want a structured output, and to get the structured output, we are just saying the response format as we are saying response format as our agent. Sorry, our class, which is macronutrient output, and that's it. Yes. So if we add this, then it's going to use it. Then we'll do result is equal to, and we'll say completion dot first dot parse, and we'll logo dot info. Here we'll say execution completed, and then we'll return the result. So let's try this, right? Let's go to macronutrient agent. And for the path URL, I got one for like it was AI generated from ChatGPT. We can use that if you want. Wait a second. I'm just copying the link. Uh, yes. If we go here, oh, there's an error here. I mean, I think it was in ChatGPT. Yeah, I think it was here. Yeah, this one. So let's just copy the email address and then come to our system. Let's take this out. Let's paste this. Let's save this. Okay, so let's see if this works. Let's see. Okay, we got some error. It's saying invalid image URL. Okay, so this is happening. Hmm, what if we go here? Okay, it's giving this, right? Wait, let's just come here and copy the address. It's really the same thing. Wait, let's try. No, we are still getting that error. Why is that? Hmm. Oh wait. In this we have added the image data. What is happening? Let's just save this image here. Oh, it's saying it's not available in the site. Wait, let's just copy and paste this here. Okay, it's generating. Oh, why should it happen now? Let's just wait. Still not coming. Is it? Oh, why it's taking so long? Wait, let's just get it from Google itself. Let's just Google for this. Okay, this is nice. This is what I wanted. Let's see. What is size? And okay. Uh, did it work? I think I have to just try this. Oh, right. It's giving me the image path. Okay. It says it does not exist. Wait, I think it's. Wait, no. It should be different. It's not link. Yeah, we can do this. Let's try this. Why is it saying this way? I mean, that's also true because we're not very clear. Let's try this. Uh, oh god, what is happening? Oh, if I go here, oh, it's going. Oh, Wait, for now, what we'll do is we will, guys, there are two members here. Tell me what you're doing. Like, we can chat. Oh, that's okay. I'm not getting this URL. I don't know. Is that? Oh, wait. Search for this. Wait, let's just put it here. Okay, this one. This. Okay, let's try this. Okay, this is got created. Let's see. Oh, yes, we are getting something. So we have got calories as 710. Oh, we have protein of 75 gram, carbohydrate of 50, and here this is 40. Okay, so I think this is great. I don't know if it's accurate. Wait, you know what? Let's just put it to chat GPT and let's ask it like, what do you think? Let's just take these off. I think it might cultivate. Okay, oh, that's bad. It's saying it's 1084. I mean, which is the best vision model? Oh, it's saying GPT-4 mini. Wait, if it's saying that, it might be good. Let's see. Oh, it's saying less. That's, I mean, these are kind of same, but not that same. Let's say, like, create a system from for GPT-4o. We'll use GPT-4o next. Oh, wait, I mean, this picture seems to be have really good protein. No idea. I don't know what calories, but let's see. Let's just to get the data that I asked you very accurate. And there is one prompt that I've been using for quite a while. I don't know if it's here or not. Where is it? So wait, I think I have it somewhere around here. Oh yeah, here. So this was the prompt. Let's use this. So this was like, do this real perfectly. If you don't do it, then our client will be upset and will also close on $1 million deal. It's like blackmailing it, but not really. Such that it's going to answer a question. Okay, I think we don't need this part because that's handled by OpenAI. Okay, let's just introduce and discuss. Let's see this, click on this. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's in 700. Let's see the model. Oh, it's taking some time. Yeah, this is kind of close, but it's not that accurate. But yeah, in today's session, we kind of got this. And yeah, we are getting the calories and stuff. So here, let me tell you this, okay? What we are doing is leave these parts, like it's useless here to here, right? And then wait, what I'll do is let's say tutorial, right? Okay. So see, we are living in the world of agents, and this project, if we do it with agents, we might get like some accurate results. So what we are doing is we are not using CrewAI, we are not even using LangChain, we are particularly using OpenAI library. And some people call it like creating agents with pure Python. Like there is one, uh, so you can check this YouTube channel. There is one like creating AI agents with pure Python. Yeah, we got some new news here. Let me just watch this. Yeah, this one. So this is you can like refer this if you want. Like this, it will give you a brief idea. So it's going to tell you everything. Like this guy, he has some crazy school community, and he's also going to say about structured output using tools, and he has also used a real world example here. So we can like you can check these out, and this guy is really great. And then okay, so we want to import these things. That's country, and let's display logging. We don't need this, right? We want the client. We want this, right? Let me just copy and paste it. Okay, so we are creating a client instance here, and remember, most of the cases we are going to deal with structured output. And if you think this is not important, it's really important, and you might need this. You can also add confidence scores, and he talks everything about that in that video, so you can check on that. Okay, so we are saying that whatever response you get, you have to create the response such that it has all these data. It has the calories, which is the total calories in this value. It has the protein and carbohydrate and fats, and this is just a description. And you have to learn about pedantic. I mean, it's really important, and you have to learn it. And then next thing is okay. This is done. So okay, let's just close it. Right. Okay, next thing. So we are creating a function. It's just Python, not much. And see, sorry. Whenever you're dealing with images, particularly OpenAI images, you have to keep this. This is like, I might not say it as mandatory, but You need this such that so that you will not encounter any errors. So I have explained what it does, and it's if you have a close look at it, you will understand. It's just simple Python. And then we are creating a completion here. If you have worked with AI, like using OpenAI completion APIs, so this is how it is. Like the normal completion is like client.chat.completion.create. Here we are using the beta and dot parse. Why we are doing it? Because to get to parse using these, like we can do like response dot routine. Like yeah, I'll do that right now if you want. And then we are giving it a system prompt. We are saying your highly advanced nutrition analysis expert in this, that, this, and then your response. Yeah, this is not needed. Uh, this is not needed. Yeah, we are also saying do not hallucinate and be culturally aware. And if it is in India, then this is important. And as a user, like a front user, we are giving it a image URL, which our app it will have a feature of clicking the images, and we are giving the response format. Please make sure to click on these brackets. That's important. We are giving the response format, and response format is this, the calories and those things. And then after that, we are getting the result, and it's just the same thing. Then we are giving a logo, then we are returning the result, then we are printing the result. That's it. So that's how this whole thing was. Oh yeah, I did not do it yet. Wait, I mean this whole thing is the same thing that I was trying to do. Let's just delete this. Right. Yeah, so I think that's it for this video. We have completed our first topic, which is getting the macronutrients. After this, we will also check on creating the micronutrients also, and then there are a lot of stuff here. And please make sure to like this live stream, and also I have created a Discord channel for our uh, community. It's the startup community, and what we are doing is we are creating AI agents and other things for businesses and other automations. And we are not just doing it for businesses, we can do it for other things also. And I have created this the startup community, and this is our first project, the CalAI, and we are going to create much more agents and startups like these. I'll not say it as startup, but create more applications like this. So if you want, you can join this. You can just let's not do this. Uh, you yes. So this is my Discord. Oh, it's rejecting my. Okay, no. Okay. So you can use this and then join my Discord, and we can create a good community here. And also there is one more community called Ship and Sail, and this is the like a good community if you ask me. And I got this from the courses students. I got this from this guy itself, Safar. And this guy is the owner, and you can check his YouTube channel also. So you can also join this community too. Like this is also a good. uh, Why is YouTube rejecting my? Okay, YouTube is rejecting my comment for some reason. But I think it's not doing that. But yeah, you can check on Muhammad Zafar in his YouTube channel if you want, and then you can do it. Okay, I think that's it for today. I'm going to end my live stream here. Go check out the startup community, and I'll see you in the next live stream. Thank you. Salam alaikum.